Me not being mechanically knowledgeable, I was left to Google. I was left to conventional methods like calling my dad, and those options did not provide me a solution. I had a very busy day ahead of me coming up. Like I said, still 4 hours from home. And you can imagine it's a bit of a frustrating situation. So I have a couple options. I can call a tow truck, I can stay in a hotel, and these options are not ideal given that I have to be home, I have responsibilities the next day. I could call a friend, I could call my spouse to come pick me up. It's obviously a pretty big ask to have someone take 8 hours out of their evening to come pick you up, and still having to leave your vehicle, on the side of the highway. So I thought to myself, no, AI is going to solve this problem.